So for percentage taxpayers or those who are exempted from VAT, uh, yung dati na binabayaran natin na 3% na direct from your gross sales to be remitted every quarter ay naging 1% na lang starting July 1, 2020. So, but then, kasi half year na siya or mid-2020 na, so, kung i-apply mo siya for that period, kasi retroactive yung effect, hindi siya automatically 1% for 2020. Example, for fourth quarter or third quarter of 2020, hindi 1% yung gagamitin mo, but 1.5% kasi mid 2020 na nag-talk effect yung create law. But for 2021, for the first quarter of 2021 to 2023, 1% na talaga yung tax rate ng percentage tax na gagamitin for the remittance of the quarterly percentage tax. So, same. Hi guys, it's me Gian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we will talk about Create Law. So corporate recovery and tax incentives for enterprises or the Create Law was passed into law last March 26, 2021. And the effect of this was actually retroactive kasi effective na agad or applicable na agad ang law na to for the period of July 1, 2020 up to 2023. So, the effect of this law is indeed a great news for everyone who owns business here in the Philippines. So, the main purpose of this law is to provide or grant tax relief for businesses. So, as we all know, when pandemic started, so nagkaroon ng lockdown, maraming negosyo yung nagsara for that period. And as time goes by, for several months, businesses started to recover, but some of enterprises here already shifted to other lines of businesses dahil merong mga negosyo na hindi nakapag-survive. Some businesses also find ways to cope up with the pandemic. So for everyone who owns a business tried hard to cope up with the demands of time. Luckily, the government also find ways to assist the entrepreneurs, lalong-lalo na yung mga maliliit na mga negosyante. So, let's go to the point. So, ano yung effect or direct effect ng Create Law for the taxes? So, the main effect of this is to lower the tax rates, not only for corporations or the corporate income tax, but also for percentage taxes. So, for corporate income tax, which was 30%, it was directly lowered to 25% for large corporations and 20% for small and medium corporations. So how will you classify your corporation into small or medium corporation? So pag yung net taxable income did not exceed 5 million or the total asset does not exceed 100 million excluding your land or yung sa land. So, the applicable rate will be 20%. I will not discuss one by one the effects of the whole effect of this Create Law. I will just point some major and direct effects na alam kong makakatulong sa lahat ng mga merong maliliit na negosyo. So, for this video, i-stressed out ko yung effect ng Create Law sa percentage taxpayers kasi ilan lang naman yung percent ng businesses na corporate, di ba? So, mas marami yung mga sole proprietors, mga maliliit na negosyo na mas makikinabang sa Create Law. So, the good news is that from 3% of the gross sales, now the percentage tax rate is down to 1%. So maybe some of those taxpayers still paid 3% of the gross sales for their first quarter. But then, you should know na for 2021, effective na yung 1% na tax rate ng percentage tax. So, how about kung nakapagbayad na kayo ng percentage tax last quarter or for the first quarter of 2021, tapos yung ginamit nyo is the 3% tax rate or 3% ng gross sales yung binayad nyo sa BIR. So, for everyone or for some na okay lang din naman sa kanila kasi naging contribution nyo naman yun, yung 3% na binayad nyo for the economy or for the Philippines, so okay lang. Pero para sa mga gustong mag-amend, pwede nyong i-amend yung tax return or percentage tax na binayaran nyo. So, i-correct nyo from 3% into 1%. So, yung sumobra na tax na binayad nyo, pwede nyo siyang i-offset for the next quarter. So, for the second quarter, kung magkano yung gross sales nyo for April to June, multiplied by 1%. So, kung magkano yung amount ng percentage tax due, pwede nyong i-credit yung amount na sumobra sa binayaran nyo ng first quarter. But you should have to attach the first quarter form at saka yung deposit slip na binayaran nyo sa mga authorized agent banks to prove na sumobra talaga yung payment nyo na i-offset nyo siya for the next quarter. Multiply mo na lang siya ng 1% instead of 3%. So, the form was already available on EBIR form latest version. So, meron doon person exempted from VAT or the ATC-PT 010. Makikita mo pa din yung dating tax rate na 3%. Pero, as you scan below, makikita mo merong isang PT 010 na ATC wherein the tax rate is 1%. So, yun yung gagamitin mo to file your quarterly percentage tax. So, para sa mga hindi pa nakaalam, so, for the next quarter, pwede mo nang i-direct na 1% yung gamitin mo. Or, kung 3% yung ginamit mo for the first quarter, pwede mo siyang i-offset for the next quarter. So, kung magkano yung nabayaran mo using that 3%, i-correct or i-amend mo yung return ng first quarter. So, using 1% tax rate. So, the remaining or yung sumobra na tax na binayad mo, pwede mo siyang gamitin na i-offset mo for the next quarter. But you have to attach the form or the tax return and the receipts that you use and you paid last quarter para ma-validate yung payment mo for the next quarter. But so for deadline, walang nagbago for the forms, yung sa EBIR form lang na latest version. But when you are using manual form, i-fill up mo na lang, ikaw na maglagay ng 1% kasi manual computation naman din siya. So, the direct effect of this create law is indeed very helpful for those who owns businesses, lalong-lalo na sa maliliit na negosyo, who are still in the stage of recovering kasi instead of paying large amount of taxes, so the direct effect of lowering the tax rates will really help a lot for the... I know this video is a bit late kasi medyo matagal na yung effect ng create law, but then I know some of those business owners still don't know or hindi pa sila na-aware na bumaba na yung tax rate. So, I hope everyone find this video helpful pa din. So, for those who find it good, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the notification bell as well for more